Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina ke ngumapoloba ufuze ufulele mashiya amahle ngasazoshumayela iqadi onyuswa. Namhlanje ke sijonwe uSinalo wakanyawose eMlazi eNewZ eSinalo. Please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Abafethu igama lami uSinalo wakanyawose Pharmacist V fethu ngasemlazi akaV. Ngifike ngo-August. Ngizodlalela iSundowns.
Useshile babukeli bethu uSinalo ufike ngo-August wazodlala iMamelodi Sundowns. Namhlanje he is a champion. Uzothola igolide lakhe. Sinalo, how does it feel kunina njengama players winning the league? I know ufike ileague seyiqalile vele seyiphakathi. How does it feel to you winning the league against the Highlands Park? The league was tough because you won nge-goal difference. How does it feel to you nama players wonke?
It feels very, very exciting because we've all been pushing for this. Even though I came August, you could see the intensity from all the players. My coaches were pushing me since I knew, I have to adjust really quickly. And I felt like I really adjusted really quickly against Randburg, scoring my debut goal. And it's just been a wholesome experience playing for Sundowns. Coming from where I come from, it's been tough. I grew up like not very well, but sometimes
today we are here.
Today I'm here.
Yeah.
Champion of GDL. I can't really say much, but I'm very excited and very happy.
Nathi ke babukeli bethu as Let's Talk Development Football, we are excited to have a boy who's coming from Umlazi all the way elokishini eKasi eNewZ kaV kaMax bayabukela abantu bazosibona ku Let's Talk Development Football. Sinalo wena ke njengoba usho usuka eKZN, how is the relationship between you and your parents ne-support abakuphe yona uzufike la eGauteng njengoba ule eGauteng namhlanje?
My parents' support is very, very, very wonderful because for me, I feel like my mom has always been there for me through thick and thin. I took a gap year this year. I finished Matric 2024.
Okay.
We saw the potential. She said, don't go play, don't go study, just go play football and see where it takes you.
Yeah.
6 months down the line, Sundowns comes calling saying, hey, we want you to come play. Thank you to Coach Chris for giving me the opportunity, to show everybody, even GDL is the biggest thing for me to ever play in. So, yeah, my parents have been very instrumental from where I am now and to where I'm going.
Siyabonga kakhulu Sinalo unyawose osuka eMlazi njengoba sengishilo. Ngijabulisa kakhulu ke babukeli lena ngoba nami I'm here eGauteng ngizozama impilo. Ngibuya khona eThekwini eClermont eScom Plaza. Sinalo, ake utshele abantwana basemakhaya baseMlazi kaMashu, Clermont, uZuma, Lamontville, yini ongaba motivate ngayo ukuthi kumele bayenze ukuze bafike la ufike khona wena today?
To just work hard, just keep persevering, keep believing in yourself, because the only person that can change your life is you. Nobody else can change your outcome and your output and what you do. If you feel like you need to give more, you need to give more. Don't get motivation or discouraged from other people.
Sinalo ubuye eKasi eMlazi competition nendlela ibhola edlalwa ngayo wafika ku-GDL wa-adapter and you are an instrumental player iMamelodi Sundowns le win league today under 19. Kusho ukuthini wena kuwena lokho ukusuka eKasi leyo switch from eKasi to GDL iphathe kanjani wena njenge-player?
No, it was difficult at first because I couldn't adjust to the intensity of the game and other players were better and quicker than me. So I had to really step up at moments, in certain moments for my team this season. I've stepped up and shown what I can do for them to have courage and belief in me. So the switch is really a big difference, but with time I'm starting to adapt and understand what is required for me and my position at Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sinalo, what does it mean playing for Mamelodi Sundowns development? I know you arrived in August in Jabushilo in the middle of the season. What does it mean playing for Mamelodi Sundowns? I know it's technical team yakona, inabo Mike Mayambela, inabo Surprise Moriri, Ezra Mnyandor. What does it mean to our players in Mamelodi Sundowns, being a player in Mamelodi Sundowns?
Yo, it's a very heavy load, because you get all this coaching advice from players, ex-professionals, Chris, Mark Mayambela, all these players. But they come from a good place because they understand what it takes to get to the top. And everybody here in Mamelodi Sundowns wants to get to the top. That's the dream, to achieve PSL. And with these coaches, I feel like it's inevitable that you're going to get there.
It is inevitable njengoba seshilo umfoka nyawose. Sinalo, la umbuze nginawo, uzibona ukuphi wena in the next 2 years njenge-player ye-under 19? You just won the league GDL under 19 Mamelodi Sundowns. Uzibona ukuphi wena in the next 2 years?
In the next 2 years, I wish to be pushing for the first team, despite injuries, despite anything. I want to be pushing for that first team at Mamelodi Sundowns or elsewhere. But my main goal is Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sinalo, for the last time, congratulations for winning the league.
Thank you.
Sinalo, please tell our viewers at home ukuthi they are watching Let's Talk Development Football.
You guys are watching Let's Talk Development Football.
Thank you.
Hey!